Can you read this one?
Joy's birthday toy.
Very good. Joy's birthday toy. 2 boxes for Daniya. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
Hooray.
Hooray. Very good. Another 2 boxes. Okay, next one.
It's Joy's birthday today.
It's Joy's birthday today. Okay, another 2 boxes for you. 1, 2. Next one, can you read this one?
Let's get a birthday gift for Joy.
Let's get a birthday gift for Joy. Another 2 boxes. 1, 2. Next, can you read this one?
Let's get a gift for her at a toy shop.
Very good. Let's get a gift for her at a toy shop. Another 2 boxes for you. Next, can you read this one?
Roy and Betty are at a toy shop now.
Roy and Betty are at a toy shop now. Another 2 boxes for Daniya. Next one, can you read this one? Hey, sorry.
They are the
Other
other boys at the toy shop too.
There are other boys and girls at the toy shop too. Okay, 1 box for you. Okay, next one. Can you read this one?
Roy and Betty enjoy looking at the toys.
Very good. Roy and Betty enjoy looking at the toys. Okay, you've crossed the finish line. Good job.